Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava phone guys color inversion setting guys, how to on and use. Friends, you want to on, friends you want to use color inversion on your Lava phone device of how to on and use. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to on and use color inversion on Lava phone. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface. Friends, scroll it and friends click on Lava phone intelligent assistant setting. Friends, click on intelligent assistant setting. Friends, you can see smart answer setting, three fingers screenshot. Friends, you want to take three finger screenshot, you can on and you can take a screenshot guys. Swipe down with three finger to take a screenshot. Friends, click on last option accessibility setting. Friends, you can see talkback, text and display setting, magnification. Guys, if you on magnification setting, friends you can see okay, and friends you can zoom on your screen and you can use it. You allow on this zoom screen setting. So like that friends, you can use your magnification shortcut setting on your Lava phone device. So guys, we will off it. Friends, click on text and display and friends on color inversion from here. After on get dark mode will on automatic on your device, and friends your screen color will totally change. And friends, if you use any photos and videos, example guys I will on Instagram, friends you can see screen will show this interface on Lava phone device. So like that friends, you can on your color correction on your Lava phone, and friends you can use it. So like that friends, we can on friends color correction on Lava phone. Sorry friends, color inversion. So after on friends color inversion friends, we can use like that color inversion on Lava phone device guys. Friends, you can see YouTube friends, we will on. Friends, you can see screen will show this interface after on color inversion on Lava phone device. And friends, you don't want to use, so friends how to turn off. Friends, again click on assistant setting, accessibility setting, text and display, color inversion and off. After friends, you can see you can use guys your Instagram app guys, any app, and guys your screen will default. And friends, you can use your YouTube screen. Friends, you can see YouTube screen is default. So like that friends, we can use color inversion setting on Lava phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Now do you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.